We've made today a weather alert day thanks to more showers and storms in your forecast that we're expecting to start moving in very soon. These storms, though, could produce those high winds we've seen for the last couple of days and some flash flood warnings as some of these storms will be going over the same spots. That can produce some very heavy rainfall, could get a couple inches of rain by the time this is done. Also expecting some frequent lightning. That's something that we've seen for the last couple of days too. A lot of heat, a lot of humidity, energy in the atmosphere to fuel these showers and storms. So let's look at the next couple of hours. Right now, expecting these showers and storms to fire up very soon. Already seeing that happen around the New River Valley, but as they start bubbling up, they're somewhat isolated. The further we get into the afternoon, the more rain we're probably going to see. Notice it gets a lot more widespread. Almost everybody's getting a little rain. And this is going to continue into the evening. A lot of this is happening between about 1 o'clock until 10 o'clock tonight. So just be weather aware. Make sure you have a way to get weather alerts, whether it be our ABC weather app or NOAA weather radio or however else you can. Things quiet down once we get past midnight. Should just be a few more showers out there. Storm Prediction Center also highlighting our area for high wind gusts. Tornadoes not very likely. We could get some hail as well, but quite a lot of active weather. Rain and wind, those are the two big ones though for this system. And even though right now model's still throwing a good 2-3 inches out in some spots, keep in mind we're not saying it's going to rain 3 or 4 inches in Lynchburg, but there are some areas that probably will get that much rain. We are going to see a couple hot spots getting a couple inches, and that's why we're a little concerned about flash flooding. Our heaviest rainfall probably happening between about 3 o'clock to 7 or 8 this evening. We're going to be seeing a lot of those showers and storms continue on and off even past that point, but the worst of it should be slowing down at that point. Because of that, we do have a flood watch in place area-wide, and that lasts until 2 a.m. There's also a flood warning because of the river flooding that's happening due to the river dam release around the Hyco Lake, and that's happening there just around the South Boston area, just south of that area. We're likely to see that improve as we haven't seen a lot of rain recently. All the tributaries are just dumping into it right now. Rain is starting to fall, and that's something we'll have to deal with for the rest of the day. Notice around Galax, already starting to see some lightning firing up. Those showers and storms will continue to increase in intensity and coverage throughout the rest of the day. Today is not the only day we're expecting showers and thunderstorms. We'll still get another round, it looks like, as we go into Wednesday. So there's a lot of rain still to talk about in the week, but maybe some good news. Today's probably the heaviest rain that we're going to be seeing as the showers and thunderstorms are still going to be going on for a little while longer. We're still in the 80s as you go into the next couple of days. Temperatures will still be toasty. It's hot. It's humid every single day this week. It is just going to be a little less rainy, I think, as we go into the weekend. Temperatures still pushing 90 degrees.